Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoArch. Today's video is on how we can change the background color of AutoCAD. Many of them wonder, especially the beginners, that how we can change the background color of AutoCAD, how people work on those colors. So let us try this out. Let's get started. First of all, open your CAD drawing sheet. Now, right click on the screen and click on the option word at the last, or you can just type OP enter for dialog box to appear. Now select the display tab from above options. You can see the colors tab at the left side in the middle part. Just click on that and from the color drop down list you can select the shade you want. Click on apply and OK, that's it. Thank you.